It's hard to imagine now, but this place was once the second largest town in Selangor after KL, carrying a population of over 12,000 people, including several thousand coal mine workers. It was founded in the colonial era, survived World War II and the communist insurgency. We're now heading to Batu Arang, a 100-year-old coal mining town in Gombak, and I'm joined by my best friend Kayla and also my questing companion.
We're definitely gonna get lost.
We're not gonna get lost. We have 10 kilometers of this long-ass road to go. We're gonna be listening to Frank Sinatra according to the map that I have prepared, because I do come prepared. The first stop that we will be going to in Batu Arang will be the old railway station, or like the remains of it. It's the closest to when we first entered the town, so you know, it just makes sense. We'll show a map on screen so that y'all can keep track of where we're going. We were, as a matter of fact, not able to go to the old railway station. It was covered by construction material and bushes, so we drove right past it. We're now at the former mine worker settlement in Batu Arang. Keep my face in the frame.
Fuck your face damn ugly.
So if you were one of the lowly coal mine workers who'll be living here, it's been transformed into a gallery, but then it doesn't seem to be open. Can you put the mail back where you found it? Can't exactly snoop around. Rama Pekerja Syarikat. Okay, that's enough. But this is definitely a heritage site. It's under Tourism Selangor. Former miners' dormitory. If you were alive back then, you would have been living in here. What is that?
Probably monkeys humping.
As y'all can see, I've had to park my car perilously on the side of the road. There's like literally nowhere to park. I'm sorry guys, I'm too scared to step into this. This is like uncharted territory for me. Y'all are gonna have to be seeing inside the house from Caleb's POV. He's the only one out of the two of us who is brave enough to venture inside. Okay, thank you Caleb.
So we have probably a living room of sorts. This is probably a toilet, probably a second room. Windows outside, more rooms. The other side of the room, probably a oven or some sort. And go out. Looks like the windows have been freshly painted not long ago. So that's interesting. Someone's probably attempting to restore them or use them. Right.
So I was kind of waiting here like an idiot. Now he's walking over to someone else's house. So there are laws against trespassing. Whatever it is, I have his face on camera. Caleb, you're pissing off the dog. Not a lot of places for us to park. Now we've seen the former mine worker settlements. Let us go back into the car.
There's no map here. This one doesn't work.
Give me that. So you have to click on the bottom.
You look at it, looks stupid.
Oh.
Stupid.
So shall we go to our next stop? If you guys are planning to drive here, you can either just park on the grass or you can go to a bigger area where you see other people putting their car. You're gonna have to walk by foot to most of these particular locations. For my own reference, I have parked my car over there. This Kepoti fella wants to go into the shop. I'm not that thirsty. We're going adventuring!
Wow, how boring.
Next stop we're going to will be the old miners tunnel.
Brother, is it down?
Turn left on Yap Vu, the fourth exit.
Coal was first discovered in Batu Arang in 1908. The British formed the coal mining company until about World War II, and the Japanese came. There's a long ass path. Let's go do what the Japanese did and take some for ourselves. These are the former coal mines of Batu Arang. I hear banging coming from that direction. I'm willing to bet they're ghosts trying to scare us off their territory. But it's fine. We are explorers. We will stay. It's getting louder. The British tried to destroy these mines so that the Japanese couldn't get coal, but Japanese people, super smart, they found a way to fix it, but they used improper mining methods. Like they only mined coal on the surface. They kind of left with like 1.3 million tons of coal before they like destroyed the mines and chowed. Didn't destroy it intentionally. After this, we just weren't able to mine coal as we did before. Around the 1960s, these coal mines shut down for good. So let's go and explore. You can actually go down there. Crap, it goes down. Caleb has decided to enter from this direction. I will enter from the other opening of the tunnel. Ooh, it's a whole thing. Let's go. It's like really echoey in here. Can you all see the dog? It's really dark. Do you think they like drag trolleys of coal up here?
Looking out one by one.
Is the coal that heavy?
Use a fucking trolley.
Terowong Batu Arang. Okay, wow. I'm gonna give you all a better look of this place. Someone's like raising cows or goats in that shack over there. And there are some like fallen brick pillars for miscellaneous reasons. Caleb is gonna try and flip that brick thing. Let me try. Give it to me. Hold my long shelf. I swear to God if there are red ants on this. Geronimo! I look like a coal miner, right? I even have my little coal miner's boots. Got my little goggles on.
You're just as coal. All black. Just dressed as coal. She's the shit that they dig up from the ground.
Okay. Just gonna go to the next stop, which is the White House. That's where the military officers used to stay. And it's a good 2 kilometers from here, which I'm not going to walk. We're going to drive. It's a 1920s Art Deco style building. We have arrived at the remains of the military officer's White House. You know, increasingly as we continue on this journey, I'm starting to think we should have rented bicycles. Yeah, because if you drive a car, there's like literally nowhere for you to park. You have to park on people's driveway or the driveway of the location itself. Let me pick up my phone. Okay, was this like some kind of tennis court? And then they would drive their fancy ass 1920s cars up this driveway into that lobby over there. Nice little balcony for them to smoke their cigarettes. It's a very impressive piece of architecture. What do you think, Caleb?
just like me.
That little building over there was for the servants. Usually have that on the ground. Back in the old days of the British. I'm gonna give you guys a nice look at this signboard. After the British left off out of this country during World War II, the Japanese decided to take this place over. It's surprisingly modern. He's gonna try to go in, which I'm not gonna do because I respect the law. Shall we go? He knows it's dangerous for me to go out alone. It's supposed to be my chaperone. If I go out alone, right, I'm gonna get kidnapped. So far, everything we've seen isn't very interesting. Because it's all old, yeah, but I thought it would be better preserved, you know. But anyways, apparently if we walk down further that way, we should come across the brick factory to our left. Oh, okay, it was right across the road. Yeah, what was that? Was that a monkey? Are we gonna go in or are we not gonna go in?
We can go in.
Let me see.
Obviously an old drinking spot. Probably a guardhouse. A piss post. Alright, let's go in. There, come on.
What?
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
No, thank you. Let's not go. Oh, so this is the guardhouse you were talking about. He wants to go further in there, but I object.
What a shit adventure.
Wait. There's the Batu Arang column. What the fuck is the Batu Arang column? This way, as much as I romanticize adventuring in the forest, I really don't think I have the stomach for it. By forest, I mean like Taman Tasik Shah Alam. We're at the main circle. Stack the bricks. You think it's cold?
No, I do not think it's cold.
In case locals or passerby go through this town and they don't know where they are, as long as they pass by this column, they'll know exactly where they are.
Where the fuck are we?
Batu Arang. Even like little seats here for the young folk of the town to pak tor or whatever it is they do.
Let's go to the roundabout for our first date.
This is so romantic. You're not zoom into my face. I'm trying to look nice for my fucking vlog. I can imagine bringing a picnic here into the sweltering heat. Nothing more romantic than making your girls suffer. What a place. There's also like a bunch of town shop houses in that direction. I think we're gonna go explore that. Look at all those old-timey shop houses. Is that a soya bean truck? I'm gonna get soya bean.
It literally says old shop houses.
Completely failed at ordering soya bean milk in Mandarin. So my good friend Caleb here is helping me out. They have two types of soya bean milk on this truck. They've got the black soya bean milk. They've got white soya bean milk. Two types of sugar, brown sugar and white sugar. They also sell taufu fa. They also sell some snacks like ang ku kueh, chocolate waffle. This is the menu. Okay, let's go. This one's mine. Got my black soya bean taste test. I like it. It's very fresh. I mean, no shit.
Never had soya bean before.
The one in 7E, the one in the plastic cup. Sorry, I'm uncultured. Nice, refreshing drink after a long, sweltering walk. I think we're gonna call it a day now. Let's go home! Let's go back to the city where we belong. As a matter of fact, we did not go home straight away. Caleb here wanted to explore the sundry shop across the road, but the car was only parked a 5-minute walk away, so it wasn't that big of a deal. Lots of local snacks, lots of colors. God damn it, I'm tired! You wanna buy anything? Oh, there's tausap here. There's these biscuits. There's cake bahulu. Just patiently waiting for him to complete his purchase. Why does the bread look kinda nice to eat? Low-key wanna have some of that.
$3.
Hell yeah. What's this?
Cocoa pies for 90 cents each.
Cocoa pie. Is it a Malaysian brand? Disclaimer, that shit was nasty. Nasty. I hated it. It's gonna be a 1 hour, 15-minute drive back to Kota Kemuning. I have to go back to Kota Kemuning to fetch back that one. It's gonna be a long drive ahead of us. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along with me, Caleb. It was a nice experience in Batu Arang. Maybe the next time we come here, some of it will have been renovated, excavated a bit nicer. I like old things.